Have you ever felt like your mind just won't stop? A constant storm of thoughts. What will happen tomorrow at work? Did I mess something up? Am I even doing the right thing? What if I fail? Even when you try to sleep, your mind keeps spinning, restless, racing, as if there's a storm inside your head. And no matter what you do, you just can't silence it. How can one stay calm in a world so loud? When everyone's running, chasing, worrying, achieving. It feels like the world is a speeding train. And if you pause for a second, you'll be left behind. But here's a question. How did Gautam Buddha remain so calm? He lived in the same world, with people, problems, pain. Yet he was as still as a silent lake. How? Was it magic? And what about Chanakya, the great strategist immersed in politics and war, but still composed, still sharp, still in control? How did they do it? And more importantly, why can't we? Why do we panic over the smallest things? Why do we let stress and fear control us? Why does it feel like our own mind has become our biggest enemy? Because when your mind is not calm, your decisions falter. You react instead of respond. Peace slips away. And even if you achieve everything, you'll still feel empty. But the truth is, you can become calm. You too can learn to be like Buddha. And in this video, we'll show you how. Do you know what Buddha felt when he attained enlightenment? Nothing. No noise, no fear, no thoughts. Just peace. A peace not attached to situations or success. A peace that was born within. And if it was possible for Buddha, it's possible for you too. He once said, "The human mind is the source of its own suffering. Control the mind, and you'll free yourself." One day, a disciple came to Buddha and said, "Master, my mind is always restless. How do I calm it?" Buddha smiled and said, "Bring me a bowl of water." The disciple brought the bowl. "Now shake it," said Buddha. The water rippled violently. "Now leave it still." Slowly, the water settled. Then Buddha said, "Your mind is like this water. When you stir it constantly with thoughts, it becomes chaotic. But if you allow it to be still, it finds its peace." Meditation is the first tool. It's not about stopping thoughts. It's about observing them until they slow down on their own. Have you ever tried sitting silently for just 5 minutes? It's hard, isn't it? Because your mind runs to the past, to the future, but never lives in the now. Meditation brings your mind back to this moment, to your breath, to stillness. Buddha said, "Control your breath, and you'll control your thoughts. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Nothing more." You know why you're anxious? Because your mind is either stuck in the past or scared of the future. But peace only lives in the now. When you eat, just eat. When you talk, really listen. When you rest, actually rest. Buddha taught us, he who lives in the present truly lives. What about when chaos surrounds you? Let's learn from Chanakya, the master of strategy. He taught us that patience isn't just waiting, it's knowing when to act. There's a story. A hunter in the forest aimed at a deer. Suddenly, he spotted a lion nearby. If he targeted the deer, the lion might attack. If he faced the lion, the deer would escape. So he paused, breathed, let his mind settle. Then he made the right move and saved his life. Patience isn't weakness, it's power. When your mind is restless, give it a purpose. Don't let it wander. Keep it engaged in reading, creating, learning, or working. A busy mind doesn't have time to be anxious. Feeling overwhelmed? Step outside. Feel the wind. Look at the trees. Breathe. Chanakya believed A mind connected with nature can never be disturbed. If someone insults you, stay calm. If someone provokes you, smile. Because the one who can control his emotions can control his entire life. Stillness isn't just mental, it's physical too. Practice yoga to align your body with your mind. Even 10 minutes of simple breathing, like Anulom Vilom, daily can bring massive clarity. Eat clean, sleep early, wake up with the sun, touch the earth. When your body is balanced, your mind follows. You can't control everything, so stop stressing over what's beyond your reach. Do your best and let go of the rest. Worry is not a solution. It's the problem itself. Your mind is like a wild horse. If you don't train it, it will throw you off. But if you learn to ride it, it will take you to your destination. Peace is not outside, it's within. Stillness is not a miracle, it's a practice. The strongest person in the world is not the one with power, but the one who has mastered his own mind. So ask yourself, will you remain a prisoner of your thoughts, or become the master of your peace? The choice is yours. Subscribe to Wisdom by Buddha for more such transformative stories and practical lessons for your mind and soul.